Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add an admin to a Facebook page and also how you can remove an admin from a Facebook page. Very much simple and easy. So all you need to do here is you need to open your account profile or your page profile here. So let's tap on that here, and now let's tap on this as well. So you can see I'm on my profile here. This is the profile of the page. So what I need to do is I tap on the three dots on here. So let me tap on that here. Good. So here I select page status here, and then I scroll up here like this. So now you can see more about your page, and then you tap on the manage your admins here. Good. And you can see I have a single admin here. So all you need to do is you need to add a new admin. So I tap on that, and then I tap on next to confirm, and here all you need to do is you enter the exact name of the person you want to add as an admin's Facebook name, something like that. So I don't really have any different Facebook account, so I can't add somebody, but then let me show you guys, or let me give you guys an example. So my name is Michael, so let me just enter Michael. I'm going to see, so these are a list of people with the name Michael on Facebook. So you just glance through and then you select any of them. Let's say the person is Michael. I'm seeing Ofosu, a lot of Ofosu here. So you can see when you search Michael Ofosu, you're going to get a lot of accounts. So you choose the exact account. Once you choose them and you add them, they are going to get a notification. If they accept it, they'll be added to this side as an admin. And if you want to remove them too, you just come here, you tap on their profile, and then you tap on remove and you remove them. They can't decline your removal. You can remove them because you are the owner of the page. So that's it on how you can add admin on your Facebook page. I'm also going to show you guys how you can change or transfer a page ownership to a different Facebook account in my next video. So do all to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.